Ooh, that is slippery. So I've been on this trail before, but this part of the trail wasn't here before. They were like just modeling it. So most of the way was rock, was the road. But they put in this railing here. Not only is it newer, but there's no carvings or graffiti on it. How nice is this? This is a rare moment. This whole stretch, no graffiti, no carvings. I don't know how long it'll last, but hopefully for a while. But yeah, really nice. Look at him, he makes this look so easy. Just 1, 2, 3. He makes it look easy, but this is legit steep. It just doesn't look it on the camera. And now he has to go down and pick up his camera. And then come back up. This is the behind the scenes. Behind the scenes filming action. All right, and round 2. Ding, ding, ding. Scenic. I mean, to me, hiking is always a scenic trail of some sort. But yeah. So we are off to find the Hill of Pines. Yes. They call these fall summits because it looks like we're almost at the summit of this area. And that wind again. Oh man. Whew, getting my butt kicked. Man, second incline. It was gradual up into the top of wherever this white trail, hill pine, is leading me. But man, for it to be January, it feels like summer. It feels like June weather. Action. And jump. Where's our stunt guy? Yeah, there we go. So now we're on Rattlesnake Hill. The wind is still picking up. But it's such a beautiful day up here. Right, coming up to Spy Rock Vista. don't know. Maybe. So we're coming up to Eagle Rock here. Oh wow. Oh, that wind. Look at this. Shaky, it's due to the wind. The way this wind is hitting is ridiculous. Look at my hair. Oh, there's Kurt. Say hi, Kurt. I have seen so many trail wonders. Ooh, there's lots of poop here. 1, 2, 3. Look at the poop. Poop. I think coyote. But this is nice. Look. So they definitely do their trail maintenance really well here. I will honestly say, out of most of the trails that I've been to, this has been one of the nicest maintained trail. This is for sure Split Rock.
Black Rock Forest. Elevation 1,400 feet.
Made it to the main destination, Black Forest Rock. And there is a front coming in. Can't pick it up on the camera, but definitely rain in the valley. For sure. Rain or fog. This is incredible.
What's north of us?
Alright, so starting our descent on the White Trail. We are close to about 9 miles in this loop to the car. It's a little slippery, and as always, I do my finish video when I'm going downhill because I'm stupid. No, I'm kidding. No, I am stupid. But yeah, this hike, definitely want to say would be labeled as moderate for sure. There are some pieces for like the inclines and the rock scrambling sections, so it's definitely moderate. I wouldn't say it's too difficult compared to a bunch of other trails that I've done. The day's been really good, and one thing I do want to highlight on this trail is that it is really family friendly. If you are in a wheelchair or like a jazzy, you could totally come to this state park and be able to go on multiple trails, because they do have like road that goes throughout the whole park. If you are looking for a small hike, they have that here. If you're looking for a long one like we were, they have that here. They have multiple views, vistas. Everyone loves vistas. They have multiple vistas to go to. So you definitely have a plethora of things available in this park. I should probably put my phone away. This is getting really bad. I'm going to show you guys what we're coming down. So you can't really see on the camera, but yeah, we are coming down this. the rocks underneath it are pretty wet, and then the leaves cover the wetness. So definitely have to take it at like a little slower, baby steps type style.